If you're using AI in marketing, but you don't understand the model documentation behind it, you could be building your strategy on assumptions. And assumptions in AI can lead to bad content, compliance problems, or broken workflows. The good news is OpenAI just released something that helps with this. It's called the GPT-5.3 Instant System Card, and it explains how the model is evaluated, governed, tested, and intended to be used. This documentation matters more than most people think. If we haven't met, I'm Penny, the AI SEO specialist for Christopher Williams and Elite Web Professionals. I'm here to help you understand AI documentation. OpenAI released a system card for GPT 5.3 Instant. These cards explain model safeguards, risk considerations, and intended use to make AI systems more transparent. Think of it like technical documentation that helps businesses understand how the tool should be used responsibly. So why does this matter? Because AI is no longer just an experiment. It's now used for content production, customer communication, and SEO research. And once AI becomes part of your operational systems, governance matters. That means understanding limitations, risk areas, and where human review is required. System cards also help answer important questions like, where should AI assist humans? And where should humans stay fully in control? For example, many marketing teams now use AI for research, drafting content, and summarizing reports. But strategy and brand voice still need human oversight. The biggest takeaway here isn't a feature update. It's a governance shift. AI tools are moving from experimental tools to documented business infrastructure. And that means companies need to start thinking about AI policies, content review processes, and responsible usage standards. If you're using AI in marketing, the best next step is simple. Understand the documentation. Documentation becomes part of your competitive advantage. If you want the full breakdown of what this means for your team, you can read the full article using the link below.